the first thing is lack of knowledge. What if I do not have any knowledge about it? Right? So what should I do? I don't have any idea about the topic. So, see, please understand. First and foremost thing is, what is the most important thing? Remember, now scan this on the back of your mind. Remember that it is a personality assessment round. Your knowledge is not being tested, right? Please understand, I can get selected only in one way, right? That is when entire group is performing and concomitantly with the group, I am also performing, right? Are you getting the point? Yes or no? When the group is performing and simultaneously I am also performing, right? I can get selected. I won't get selected if I am performing and rest of the members are not performing. Why will I get selected? Why will they pick me? Suppose I speak a lot, right? In a group discussion of 7 minutes, I spoke for around 3 minutes. Will I get selected? Mathematically, if there are 10 people, 7 minutes discussion, 3 minutes I have spoken, right? Will I get selected? Not necessarily. If I have made rest of the people perform, then it is fine. Otherwise, I will not get selected. So speaking much or covering most of the part of the discussion, I mean in terms of time and content both, this might not necessarily make you get selected, right? What is important is group's performance and simultaneously your performance, right? You can get selected only when group is performing and simultaneously you are performing. Just please scan this on the back of your mind. Understand it well in the beginning, right? There is no other way out. You have to make group perform and simultaneously you also have to perform, right? So lack of knowledge is not a problem, right? You may listen to rest of the people and can turn up with, see, you are listening to others, right? Active speakers are turning up with their points. You are able to understand or not? Yes or no? See, here you are responding or no? Not. You are saying yes, you are nodding. You are continuously nodding. You are very active. So this is how you need to behave. When we talk about behavioral part, these things become very important. You're getting the point? Yes or no? Okay. So see, the moment I said yes or no, I have pulled you up or not towards me. So this is how you also, while speaking, I mean, see, in GDs, you do not have much of time. Here it is possible for me, but for you, it is not possible. So you have to speak very judiciously. Your thought process has to be proper. You have to streamline your thoughts, right? And sometimes you have to be able to speak in, see, whatever you speak in 30 seconds, you have to practice to speak the same thing in 10 seconds. Why? Time management again. Okay. 10 people, right, are sitting in the GD. 7 minutes for the discussion. 7 minutes is the duration. How many seconds will you get to speak? Few might not be able to get 30 seconds even. And 30 seconds, can you swallow up whole of the food in one morsel? I mean, shall I be turning up with my entire thing in one shot? That's not advisable, right? And that's not possible also, right? Nobody will listen to you for 30 seconds. See, here it is possible in general conversation. It is a session going on. Here you are listening to me, right? But over there, because it is a matter of selection, boss, nobody will listen to you for 30 seconds at a stretch. And you cannot speak like the way I am speaking. You have to be slow. The slower you are, the more confident you look. You cannot be very fast, right? See, all the best speakers of the world, they go slow. Breathing has to be normal, right? You cannot go very fast. People should be able to understand whatever you are saying. Because somebody turned up with a beautiful point from that side. What is conclusion? Conclusion is pretty easy. We'll talk about it. Okay. So let's streamline it. But there is a word named summary. How will you turn up with summary unless you are a good listener? Right? So you have to listen. You have to be active. So first and foremost thing is, knowledge part, please do not worry about it, right? Even if you do not know about it, then too you can get selected by turning up with summary or something related to group activity, wherein you are contributing in the group's performance enhancement. You are getting it? Shall we proceed? Now, this is one part that I should not be bothered about. The lack of content. This is one part. Another part is, again, related to lack of content only. How to build my content. Okay? So let's address this part. What if I am poor at awareness part? What if I do not have any knowledge about it? So what should I do? See, let's decide upon a topic, a general topic, right? Please turn up with a general topic. Why I am saying let's go for a general topic. We'll talk about abstract ones also, because abstract ones are pretty easy, right? It's easy to relate. General topics are difficult. Why it is difficult? Because if it is a 7 to 10 minute GD, see, normally it remains under 10 only. 10 minutes GD, 15 people are sitting. You are not getting even 60 seconds to speak, right? And in a general topic, everybody would love to contribute. And I'm using a very decent word, love to contribute. But the problem is everybody would be ready to fire over there, because it is a matter of selection and rejection at the same time. Okay? So in your case, it's going to be one very important thing, that if I do not know about the topic, if I'm lacking content, what should I be doing? One thing is like I'll pay attention to others, I'll decode them, then I'll encode my thoughts and I'll present it properly. But another thing is, what if I want to speak at the initial stages? What should I be doing? That too in a general topic. So let's take an example of a general topic. Yes, some suggestions? Development of India. Suppose this is the topic. Is it decipherable from all the geometric positions of this room? I'll read it. India as a developed nation by 2025. Now I'm giving you 15 seconds to jot down your points. All of you. What are your points? Your time is over. Yes. What are your points? India as a developed nation by 2025. Right? Yes. What are the points which came in your mind? Roof to all. Good. It's a rock solid punch. What else? Rule of law. What else? Most of the new technology come from India. See, these are very general points. Am I right? Whatever you guys have turned up with. But have you Please understand, these are very good points, right? Excellent ones. You may turn up with these points. Suppose if I talk about the first one, roof to all, right? How can I invite others to speak on my points? After turning up with my own point on roof to all, right? I may invite others. What are your opinion about this, right? So in this fashion, group will start contributing, right? This is one way, which is very commonly understood, right? Everybody have understood this, that yes, in this fashion I can engage others, right? This is very nice. What about if I start planning about my entire discussion or whatever things will take place in the discussion right in the beginning, right from the word go? See, when I asked you to turn up with the points in 15 seconds, what did you do? You started turning up with your own points, right? Whatever is coming in your mind easily. Am I right? Did you think about others? Tell me very honestly. That whatever will occur in everybody's mind naturally, let's think on those things. Did you think on those things? No. So, do you need to think on those things or not? For example, what if I have subdivided my thought process into two? One, general points, and another one is specific points. When I say general points, what I typically mean by general points is whatever is occurring in everybody's mind. See, when I talk about developed nation by 2025, what are the general things which will occur in everybody's mind? What are the sectors? One is roof to all, right? That is fine. What else? Education, good. Sorry? Defense, okay. Defense, women empowerment, agriculture, yes. Now, not more than this. Why? Because please understand, in a GD of 10 or 15 minutes, you cannot discuss on more than 4 or 5 points, right? General ones are going to be most difficult ones, right? Specific ones, yes. What are the specific ones? Specific ones means whatever coming to me only, some eccentric data. It will be a conscious gesture to be different from others, right? Like some data or examples or some sectors, subsectors. Like if somebody is talking on agriculture, I am talking on irrigation. See, this needs to be done. This is very important, right?